Imagine walking into a room and hearing a voice call out, "Hello, how are you?" But when you look around, there's no human inside, just a parrot on a stand looking at you expectantly. Parrots are one of the few animals capable of mimicking human speech with remarkable accuracy. This ability has captivated humans for centuries, leading to countless studies and observations on how and why this bird can talk. Take, for example, the story of Alex, an African gray parrot who was studied by an animal psychologist, Dr. Irene Pepperberg. Unlike most parrots, Alex wasn't just mimicking words, he was able to identify objects, count numbers, and even express basic concepts like colors and signs. He has a vocabulary of over 100 words, and he could use them in ways that suggest an understanding of their meaning. Today we will explore the fascinating world of talking parrots by examining their anatomical adaptation, their social communication, and the distinction between mimicry and true understanding. By understanding how and why parrots talk, we can gain insight into their intelligence and even draw connection to human language and development. First of all, about anatomical adaptation. To understand how parrots produce such accurate sounds, we need to look at their anatomy. Unlike humans who use the larynx to produce sounds, parrots have a specialized vocal organ called the syrinx, located in the base. And this unique structure allows them to produce a wide range of tones and pitches, often mimicking human speech with an impressive accuracy. Additionally, parrots have thick, muscular tongues and highly flexible beaks. This adaptation allows them to shape sounds in a way that other birds cannot, enabling the way to replicate the nuance of human speech. If you listen closely to a parrot speaking, you might notice that some even seem to have a different accents depending on their environment, further showcasing their vocal control. Beyond their vocal organs, the brain of parrots also play a crucial role in their skill to mimic speech. Recent scientific studies have identified specific brain regions in parrots that resemble those found in humans and are responsible for vocal learning. One of the most important discoveries is that parrots have a core and cell-song system, which is more complex than what is found in other birds. This system helps them to process and reproduce sounds more effectively. This structure of their brain suggests that parrots are not merely copying sounds, but actively learning and storing them for future use. In the wild, parrots don't just talk to entertain us, they use vocalization as an essential survival tool. They call to communicate with their flock for various reasons, including mating. Parrots use this specific call to attract mates, to use for territorial display. Just like humans use words to express ownership, parrots use vocalization to mark the territory and warn intruders. Coordinating movement, since parrots often travel in flocks, vocal signals help them stay together and avoid danger, and to find food sources. Their strong need for social communication is one of the main reasons they are such good mimics. In captivity, where their flocks consist of humans, parrots naturally try to fit in by copying the sound they hear most often. Interestingly, some parrots in the wild mimic sounds beyond their natural calls. For example, some species have been observed imitating the alarm calls of other birds to warn their flock of potential threats. This ability to copy and use sounds tragically highlights the intelligence of parrots and their deep-rooted needs for communication. While it is clear that parrots are excellent mimics, the question remains, do they actually In most cases, parrots learn words through repetition and association rather than through comprehension. For example, when parrots hear hello every time someone enters a room, it may learn to say hello back whenever it sees a person, but does it truly understanding the routine? Many scientists argue that, for the most part, parrots are simply excellent at mimicking patterns of sound used without knowing the full meaning behind them. However, there are some exceptions. Some parrots, like Alex, who was studied by the animal psychologist, he had demonstrated a deeper level of understanding. Alex could not only mimic words but also use them appropriately to identify objects, answer questions, and even express desires like wanting a specific toy or food. This suggests that in some cases, parrots may have a limited form of comprehension rather than just mindless repetition. While they may not understand language the same way humans do, their ability to associate words with meaning show a form of intelligence that is still being studied by scientists. So far, we have learned that parrots' ability to talk is a result of their unique vocal anatomy, advanced brain structure, and strong social instincts. While most parrots mimic sounds, some demonstrate a deep understanding, offering insight into a more intelligent and language learning. Studying parrots not only helps us appreciate their intelligence, but also provide a more valuable insight into human speech and cognition. Their remarkable ability to mimic and possibly understand language make them one of the natural most fascinating creation. Thank you for listening.